We spend so much of our lives waiting. We wish for change. We pray for it. We hope that someday, somehow, the circumstances of our lives will magically rearrange themselves into the picture we hold in our minds. But this passive wishing is a form of stagnation, a comfortable illusion that something might happen to us. The profound truth is that nothing external shifts until something internal does. Nothing changes until you change. Life doesn't shift because we dream. Dreams are beautiful. They are the destination, the what we aspire to. But they remain formless, floating in the realm of possibility without an anchor. Life shifts because we decide. A decision is the anchor. It's the how. It's the moment you draw a line in the sand and commit not just to a result, but to a process. It is the first, most crucial act of creation. The moment you look yourself in the eye and say with unwavering conviction, "I refuse to live on autopilot anymore. I will be the author of my days." That is the moment your life starts transforming. The universe conspires to support a committed heart. But this transformation isn't a sudden, dramatic explosion. It's quieter, more profound. It's the quiet discipline of choosing better habits, the conscious effort of cultivating better thoughts, the deliberate practice of choosing better reactions. It's the sum of 1,000 small, intentional choices, repeated one day at a time. Your life improves the very moment you do, because you are building a new identity from the inside out. You are no longer a person who wishes for discipline. You are a disciplined person. So don't overwhelm yourself with a grand 5-year plan. Start smaller. Start now. Choose just one thing to improve today. Just one. Drink a glass of water. Go for a 10-minute walk. Write one sentence in a journal. Make that single, conscious choice, and then watch. Watch as that one small act of intention sends waves through every other part of your life. Watch the ripple effect begin.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.